Hi, my name is Laura St. Pierre and I'm a product manager here at YSI. This video demonstrates how easy it is to set up a YSI MultiLab meter, one of our most popular lab instruments. It also demonstrates a dissolved oxygen calibration with the MultiLab, which is easily done using the meter's internal barometer. The MultiLab is YSI's line of digital multi-parameter benchtop lab meters. It is available in 1, 2, or 3 channel, and all come with a 3-year warranty and have data management capability, including backing up to an Excel spreadsheet or to a USB memory stick. Available parameters include dissolved oxygen with an optical-based DO probe, conductivity, pH, ORP, and many ion-selective electrodes. Right now, I will demonstrate how to get the MultiLab meter ready for your measurements. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the 3-channel version. All MultiLab instruments include the software for downloading data to Excel and an AC power supply, as well as an electrode stand. The instrument is digital and automatically recognizes when a sensor is connected. So as I power this up, you'll see the instrument request for a probe because it automatically recognizes that there's no probe connected. We're going to demonstrate the ProOBOD today. The OBOD is the optical-based dissolved oxygen probe designed to fit in a BOD bottle. To get the OBOD up and running, simply remove the storage cap from the bottom of the probe. You can see that the guarded cap here is a little bit different than the traditional membrane that's used on previous versions of dissolved oxygen sensors. A huge advantage of the optical-based technology is less maintenance, as this cap only needs to be replaced about once every 18 months. Additionally, it has a higher accuracy than membrane covered and is accurate to plus or minus 0.1 milligram per liter. Another major advantage of the optical-based technology is that it doesn't require as frequent calibrations and is not susceptible to interference from other gases that might be dissolved in your sample. We'll go ahead and connect the ProOBOD probe to the instrument. And you can see that the dissolved oxygen measurements come up automatically on the color display of the MultiLab. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the stirrer for the ProOBOD. We include a stirrer in the ProOBOD to keep samples well mixed and improve accuracy of the measurements. To calibrate and to store the ProOBOD, simply place it in a clean BOD bottle with about 1 inch of clean water. And we're going to calibrate to the water saturated air above the water. After placing the ProOBOD in the 300 millimeter BOD bottle, wait about 5 to 10 minutes for this chamber to become completely saturated. At that point, we're going to go ahead and calibrate the MultiLab, which is easily done by just pushing a couple buttons. Buttons themselves are clearly labeled. Just go ahead and press Cal to start the calibration process. We can see that we have a barometer reading and our current dissolved oxygen and temperature measurements. Once the dissolved oxygen and temperature measurements are stabilized, we're going to go ahead and press Enter to complete the calibration. Now the instrument will double check this for you and will perform an auto read function to determine both measurements are stable and ready for calibration. Once the auto read function is complete, The instrument will beep, confirming a good calibration, and will show you a record from the GLP file, the good laboratory practice file that stores the calibration records in the instrument. You can see that we calibrated a ProOBOD with this serial number at this date and time and the number of calibration points. We also provide sensor diagnostics to indicate when a probe might need to be cleaned or some other type of maintenance might need to be performed on that sensor. Press continue, and you're ready to take your measurements for the day. For more information about YSI's MultiLab instruments and other instruments for the lab and field, please contact us directly or review our other videos on YouTube.